Look at this Christmas tree. I think we can make a small one. With the command elf action.
Start by pumping up your chrome gold balloon and tie a knot. Make a 2 centimeter bubble, a pinch twist, and another 2 centimeter bubble, and tie it to the first 2 centimeter bubble that you made. This will be the point of the star. Repeat this process 4 more times, a 2 centimeter bubble, a pinch twist, and tie another 2 centimeter bubble back to the first 2 centimeter bubble you made. Repeat this process until you have 5 points of a star. Now, you can either choose to pop off the rest of the balloon and tie a knot, or you can make 2 pinch twists at the front and the back of the middle of the star. Pop the rest of your balloon and tie a knot. Now your star is complete. Now onto the tree. Pump up 2 lime green balloons. And tie the lime green balloon into the middle of the star. Make a 2 centimeter bubble and 2 pinch twists. This forms the tip of the tree. Now, tie your second lime balloon to the 2 pinch twists that you made. With one of the lime green balloons, make a 2 centimeter bubble, a pinch twist, and repeat it on the other balloon, a 2 centimeter bubble and a pinch twist. With one of the lime green balloons, make a 5 centimeter bubble and tie it to the other pinch twist on the other side of the tree. And repeat it with the other lime green balloon as well. Now we repeat this process and make a 2 centimeter bubble and a pinch twist on both of the lime green balloons. Now make a 7 centimeter bubble and tie it to the other pinch twist on the other side of the tree. Repeat this on both of the balloons. This makes the second level of our tree. Now repeat this until you have 4 layers. So once again, make a 2 centimeter bubble and a pinch twist on both the balloons. And cross it over to the other side and make a 9 centimeter bubble with both of the balloons. And one last time, make a 2 centimeter bubble and a pinch twist, another 2 centimeter bubble and another pinch twist on the other balloon, cross it over and tie an 11 centimeter bubble to the other pinch twist. You can now pop off the rest of the balloon and tie a knot. And the leaves on your tree is done. Now onto the trunk of the tree. Pump up your mocha brown balloon and tie a knot. Make 4 loop twists for the base of the tree. Now with the rest of your mocha brown balloon, make a 6 centimeter bubble with a long tail. Now insert that trunk into the middle of the tree, and using that tail, tie it to the very first 2 pinch twists that you've made in the beginning. But make sure the tail is on the inside and that you tie it through the inside. Now onto the decorations of the tree. You can use any color, but we're using a 160 orange balloon. Pump it up and tie a knot. Tie your balloon into the first 2 pinch twists that you made, and make 2 small 2 centimeter bubbles, and tie it onto the pinch twists of the first level. Now make 4 2 centimeter bubbles, and tie it to the second level's pinch twist. Repeat this process again, but with 5 2 centimeter bubbles, and tie it to the next level's pinch twist. One last time, make 5 2 centimeter bubbles, and tie it to the very last level's pinch twist. You can choose to continue decorating onto the other side of the tree, but for now we'll just cut off the balloon and tie a knot. And your Christmas tree is done.
Whoa, I have a big Christmas tree and a small Christmas tree. I think I should put it here. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.